Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically enable voice chat on Roblox. So go to the More section, go to Settings, and go to the Privacy tab first. Oh, actually, go to Account Info, sorry. Make sure you have verified your age. You need to be at least 13 years old to be able to enable your voice chat. So please have like a parent guide you because this is not, well, this kind of game is for like younger children, but just have like a parent help you with this if they agree, if they disagree, and stuff like that. Then go to privacy and you are going to enable your microphone. So select use microphone to chat with voice and enable it. Select enable again, and that's it. Make sure you have basically verified your age here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, if you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.